Hello everyone, my name is Ken and I'm the CEO of Trade with KELSTRIJD. At Trade with KELSTRIJD, we trade and profit from economic news affecting major currencies around the world, like the dollar, the euro, the pound, and then the Japanese yen. And some of the economic news that we trade are GDP figures, inflation figures, unemployment rates, and the likes. Many of you have asked after downloading the trading app, setting up my e-wallet, and joining the chat room, what next? How do I start profiting? Well, you do so by joining the premium channel. And the premium channel offers a 14-day free entry where you can profit from our signals, after which you'll be required to make a €10 or 55 Ghana cedis subscription fee on monthly basis. Now, here's where the action begins. As you can see on the premium channel, this is an example of news we traded, which was the pound retail sales year on year. And news release was at 8:30 GMT. It's very important to be prepared 15 minutes before each trading session begins. What that means is you need to log into your laptops, your phones, and then your tablets as we are about to start. You'd also get information on the news we are about to trade and how it will affect the currency in question, which is very much for your education. And as the time draws nearer, you will get a standby notice from me. You'd also see the fundamental trading rules as stated here, which is very important to take note of, especially for new traders. You then get a signal to open the respective currency pairs. So in this example, you see the pound Australian dollar, and you wait for direction, and then the pound Japanese yen and wait for direction. When we refer to our chart here, the pound Australian dollar has already been opened, so we open the pound Japanese yen as well, as you can see. And to see both charts side by side, you go to chart layout, then you select the two chart option. There you go. So you then need to set your expiry time to 60 seconds or 1 minute after news release. So you'd have to do so for two of the currency pairs. And you enter the amount that you want to place on this trade. It's very important that due to high volatility, you place 2% or at most 5% of your trading capital, so that as you gradually make profits by building your account, you also withdraw at the same time. Now, you would have to be ready when the news is about to be released. If the news is very positive for the pound, you would see a sharp rise for both pairs. If the news is very negative for the pound, you will see a sharp fall for both pairs. So in this example, since the news was negatively affecting the pound, you would see a put from me, and you need to quickly click on put, which is lower for both pairs. And if the news is positive for the pound or the currency, you click on call, which is higher for both pairs, very quickly. And by the time you see the expiration end, you would have made some money. We all would have made some money, and you would get an exclamation booyaka from me, and then the total scores. The last thing you would see will be information on the economic data which was released, which will explain why we went on the trend that we did. So that's basically it. And for those interested in seeing how my personal trades have been going, well, I would like to share with you. Here it is. You could see there are a lot of greens, which are profits I have made, and also I have not been doing bad at all. So this is just for your perusal. It's not all rosy. There are a few reds. That shows that not all my trades go well. And for those also interested in seeing the statistics of how Trade with KELSTRIJD has been doing, there you go. You would see that in this information here, out of 149 signals given, 119 of them went well, and 30 of them didn't go our way, which represents an 80% profitability or accuracy level. So this is a video to share with you how to take signals, and happy trading. See you in the next video. Take care.